Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here in Florida at a DMV. I'm with a student that's about to do her driving test.
Hello.
We're gonna run through the test. We've been practicing a little bit, so we're gonna run through it one more time and show you guys what the test is supposed to be or what it's gonna be. I'm gonna show you this line at the DMV. I mean, this line is ridiculous. We're still like 40 minutes from open time, and this line has been here for more than 2 hours. Well, I guess people start getting here like friggin' 3 o'clock in the morning. It is mad. Alright, so they're gonna ask you if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left.
What else do you do?
You put the car in park, pull up
The parking brake.
Parking brakes, and take out the key at the ignition.
Turn off the ignition. Alright. So now they're gonna tell you signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. So they're checking to make sure that the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, and the horn's working. Alright, so the examiner is going to be sitting right here, right? They're going to tell you to reverse and go to the left, right? So you reverse from here. This time we're going to go to the right because I want to show the line, but they might make you go to the left depending on how they feel it. They can do either or, but yeah. So, good morning.
Do you have a card?
Yes, I do.
Sorry to disturb you.
No, it's fine.
That's fine. You ever watch my videos? YouTube?
Huh?
You ever watch any of my videos on YouTube?
I don't know.
Okay, so you can watch the video. I'm gonna make sure you're in it.
Alright, have a good one.
Alright. Alright, so reverse. When the mirror gets to the end of the line, you're gonna turn all the way left.
Okay.
Turn all the way to the left, and then back up some more so we can go to the stop sign and make a right turn. That's good. Alright, so make a right turn. So you make sure you come to the stop sign here, you come to a complete stop. You look both ways, right? And go ahead and make your right turn. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the line at the DMV. And this is one of the South Florida locations. And again, this line has been here like this since like early. The lines are starting from like 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so look at this line. Tell me if this makes any kind of sense. Go a little bit faster. This is impossible. Look at the line. Does this even make sense? I guarantee you more than half of these people will not get through at all. It doesn't make sense. They have to figure something out. This is not a workable situation at all. Look at this. I mean, this is literally the line at the DMV. Okay, stop here. Look at that. Does that make sense? I mean, seriously. Alright, go straight. You hear the people at the DMV yelling all the way back here in the back of the line. That is crazy. Alright, so we're gonna make a right turn when you pass the first fire hydrant right here.
All the way out here.
Yeah, make sure you signal. So every time they tell you to turn, make sure you signal.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're going to be getting 4 negative points. We don't want points. Make sure your mirror is past the curb before you turn. Like that. Otherwise, your back wheel is going to climb the curb. We know that. So we want to make sure that does not happen. Because they will fail you if you do that.
that's an automatic fail.
Yeah, if you climb the curb, that's it. If you hit the cones, if you run the stop sign, those are a few things that gives you an automatic failure. Okay, stop here. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go across and then stop again. Alright, stop here. Alright. Now they're gonna tell you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead and speed up. 20 miles per hour. Push it down. And stop. Okay, cool. Alright, reverse, straight back. And then they'll tell you when to stop. So stop about here. Alright, now you're gonna do the 3-point turn to put the car in drive, signal left, turn all the way left. You're gonna go until you get close to the line. Stop here. Do not cross the line. Remember that white line, you cannot cross it, right? Alright, put it in reverse, turn all the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder and reverse. Now when your mirror is past the middle line, see that line in the middle? When your mirror is past the middle line like that, you stop and then you put it back in drive. Turn all the way left again. Alright, go to the stop sign and make a left. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Alright, go ahead and make a left. Alright, we're making a quick left again, so signal left. And again, make sure you signal every single time because you will lose points and you don't want to lose points for something simple like that.
Okay.
Go all the way down to the end, and even though there's no stop signs at this one, there should be one, so you treat it like there is a stop sign there.
Okay.
So make sure you're turning left, so signal left. Okay, stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Wait for it to be clear on both sides. Look at this person driving in the parking lot there in the track. Alright, go ahead. So you make sure you go into your right lane and then prepare for a quick left turn. Make a quick left. Stay close to your right side here, and we're gonna park on the left side again. There are gonna be 4 cones over here. Cones are not there yet, but there will be cones. So we're gonna park the first line here. You're gonna line up your mirror with it. Up a little bit more. Like right there. Signal left. Turn all the way left. And as you get into the middle of the space, keep going and straighten the wheel. Straighten the wheel. Pull straight in. And stop. Okay? So you use the space across there to kind of help you. You know what I mean? Alright, reverse. And we're going to go to the right. So when your mirror gets to the end of the line again, you're going to start turning all the way to the left. All the way left. And look behind you as you reverse. Okay, stop here. All the way to the right. Signal left again. So you stop here and then you keep up to where you actually can see. And go ahead and make the left turn. Alright, signal left. Alright, go all the way down till we did the parking already, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
We should have kept straight.
Yeah.
Alright. We're just gonna make the left turn here and then go back the other way. Signal left. Yeah, make a left. Go to the stop sign and make the left again. I think that's annoying. Signal left. What is this morning thing? There we go. Alright, man. I go straight to the stop sign.